The field trials will operate in 3 stages. We've just finished our first stage. The first stage really tested our software. And from the software point of view, it was a great success. In the second phase, we will test some of the hardware. In the third stage, we hope to test the cheap tags.
We're doing the test to prove out the technology in a real-life environment. And second, to develop some data that we can use to start developing a business case.
We are actually proving the technology. We are using real tags, real readers, real software to track the systems across the supply chain from various different sponsors.
At the Gillette warehouse in Chicago, we have implemented some of the auto ID technology.
Our distribution center here in Chicago is 532,000 square feet. We have a pallet capacity of approximately 50,000 pallets with an average inventory valued at $60 million.
What we do is we bring over a pallet and we'll attach 2 labels onto each corner of the pallet, bringing it over to this area where we have antennas set up which will read that we've tagged this pallet. We apply a tag onto each case. He then brings it over to this area where the pallet is, runs it in front of the reader. We will then take the pallet up to the shipping dock where it will be checked and eventually run through 2 more readers at a dock door that read that that pallet has been put onto a trailer and is ready for final shipment.
The group in Cambridge have been putting together a demonstrator to show how auto ID infrastructure can be used within a manufacturing environment. And that's what this demonstrator is here. The long-term goal for the lab is that we will actually be doing a machining of raw materials, an assembly area, and finally packaging. So we can take parts all the way from raw material through to final packaged goods, showing auto ID being used throughout all those stages.
This is our Bentonville pilot facility. Walmart was nice enough to lend us this building. What we've done here, we've actually simulated a mini warehouse, and we are going to use this as part of our phase 2 testing.
The Auto ID Center is all about standardization so that we can have multiple vendors being able to design tags and readers as well as the back-end system to the specification, so we have multiple suppliers of this technology. That will enable us to have very low-cost technology with competition in the marketplace.
Yeah, it's still reading. It misses occasionally, and okay.
We hope that the end users see the technology working, and we test various technologies to see which technology is good for which products, which applications.
Well, I think there are many challenges, the least of which is the technology itself. In the field work that's currently being done, we know that the technology works.